Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's always great to see you here. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of Blue Guardian, a prop trading firm that has recently undergone some significant updates and rebranding. If you're a trader looking for a competitive edge, you'll want to stick around as we explore the key features, benefits, and some insider insights into what makes Blue Guardian stand out in the rapidly evolving world of prop trading. 1. What is Blue Guardian? Background: formerly known as Blue Guardian Capital, rebranded in September 2021. Based in West Midlands, UK, and has quickly gained popularity among traders. Core offering: traders can manage accounts up to $400,000 with profit splits of 85%. Scaling plan allows top traders to grow their accounts up to $2 million. Blue Guardian is an established firm focused on rewarding talented traders with flexible trading options. 2. Key features of Blue Guardian. Evaluation program accounts. Two-step evaluation. Phase 1. Achieve an 8% profit target within 35 calendar days with max daily loss of 4% and overall loss of 10%. Phase 2. Achieve a 4% profit target within 60 calendar days, same loss limits. Account growth. If successful, you receive a funded account with no profit targets, just daily and maximum loss limits. First payout is 14 days after hitting your first position. Scaling plan requires achieving a profit target of 12% over 3 months, with at least 2 profitable months for a 30% account increase. The evaluation program is structured to foster consistent trading while offering substantial growth potential. 3. Customizable trading options. Trading instruments. Trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Flexible trading conditions. Trade during news events, hold positions overnight, and over weekends, something not all prop firms allow. Blue Guardian offers a flexible trading environment that accommodates various strategies and styles. 4. Realistic profit targets. Achievable objectives. Low profit targets and manageable loss limits make the evaluation process realistic. Consistent trader focus. The firm seeks traders who demonstrate consistency and profitability. The balance of achievable targets makes Blue Guardian a promising option for traders looking to get funded. 5. Payment proof and community feedback. Withdrawal process. Weekly payouts post-evaluation completion. Community shares evidence of successful withdrawals on their Discord channel. Community sentiment. Overall positive reviews on platforms like Trustpilot, noting great responsiveness and transparent evaluation requirements. Positive community feedback highlights the firm's reliability and trader satisfaction. 6. Education and support. Resources available. Detailed website with extensive information and a thread on Forex Factory to share experiences. Although no free trial is offered, demo accounts are available through brokers to test trading conditions. Blue Guardian provides solid educational resources and community support to enhance trader success. Thanks for joining me today as we explored Blue Guardian and its offerings. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the prop trading industry. I'd love to hear your thoughts on Blue Guardian in the comments below. And don't forget to check the description for an exclusive discount code for any Blue Guardian 2-step evaluation account. Just another perk of being a loyal viewer. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.